Join me as I dive deep into the world of PFE stocks and challenge myself to give you the most expert analysis I can muster today. Pfizer, or PFE stock, is one of the most recognizable names in the pharmaceutical industry, with a rich history of innovation and a portfolio that includes some of the world's best-known medications. From vaccines to cancer treatments, Pfizer's impact on global health is undeniable. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at PFE stock, analyzing its current standing, the challenges it faces, and what the future might hold for this pharmaceutical giant. Pfizer is operating in a highly competitive market where several pharmaceutical companies are vying for dominance. Recently, the company has faced some regulatory hurdles that have impacted investor sentiment. Its latest earnings report showed mixed results, with some areas of strength but also some weaknesses that have raised concerns among investors. These factors have all contributed to a somewhat volatile stock performance. The regulatory environment is always a challenge for pharmaceutical companies, and Pfizer is no exception. With ongoing scrutiny from regulatory bodies, any misstep could potentially have significant repercussions on its stock value. Additionally, the competition in the pharmaceutical industry is not just about existing products but also about the pipeline for future innovations. Pfizer needs to continuously invest in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. Despite these challenges, Pfizer's financial metrics still show a company with a strong foundation. It has a solid revenue stream from its existing products and a promising pipeline of new drugs. Recent news has been a mixed bag, with some positive developments in its vaccine portfolio and certain areas of its pharmaceutical research. However, analyst opinions are divided, with some viewing the current challenges as temporary setbacks and others seeing more structural issues. Analysts are closely watching how Pfizer navigates the complex landscape of global healthcare. Some see potential for growth, particularly if Pfizer successfully brings new products to market. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the risks associated with regulatory hurdles and market competition. The diversity of opinions underscores the complexity of evaluating PFE stock. From my analysis, the critical insights that stand out are the potential catalysts for growth, particularly in its vaccine and oncology portfolios. However, investors should also be aware of the risks, including regulatory setbacks and market competition. The balance between these factors will likely dictate the stock's performance in the near term. The ability of Pfizer to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions will be crucial. Its track record suggests it has the capability to overcome challenges, but the pharmaceutical landscape is constantly evolving. Investors need to stay informed and consider both the opportunities and risks associated with PFE stock. In terms of future outlook, much will depend on Pfizer's ability to execute on its strategic plans. This includes successfully navigating regulatory environments, innovating within its product portfolio, and delivering value to shareholders. To recap, PFE stock is a complex investment that presents both opportunities and challenges. Its significance in the pharmaceutical industry, coupled with its financial metrics and recent news, all point to a stock that requires careful consideration. The key takeaways are the importance of staying informed about its regulatory environment, the competitive landscape, and its innovation pipeline. If you have any thoughts on PFE stock or any other investments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you're looking for more stock analysis, be sure to check out my previous video where I dive into another major player in the pharmaceutical industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.